I totally agree. Hands down, the best.
Why Prime and why, ano nakikita mo in the future?
Well, first of all, there's nothing you can compare with the device. The reason why I'm standing here today, just to tell you exactly my story. I was wheelchair bound, I was dialysis bound. In 4 years, I suffered the biggest setback of my life. Maiyak na naman ako dito. Okay. I work in the medical field for 41 years, helping people get better. I'm part of the surgical team. It's called interventional radiology. And in 2019, I suddenly herniated my lumbar spine. My spinal cord is actually compromised. Kung alam niyo po yung spinal cord, yun po yung nagbibigay sa atin ng strength, you know, from the tip of our skull all the way down to our spine. Dito sa baba po. It's called coccyx. Kung compromised po yun, for the most part, kung hindi kayo mapapagaling, malulumpo po kayo. That's what I suffered. 4 years of painkillers, 4 years of intervention, you know, like cupping, physical therapy, acupuncture, and epidural. Kung alam niyo po ang ibig sabihin ng epidural, ayun po yung sinasaksak ng malaking karayong sa likod ninyo at i-injection lang po kayo ng steroids, lidocaine, and all that. Every day po, all I do is pray to God na sana bigyan pa niya ako ng another opportunity and another chance to serve people like you guys.
Wow.
Okay? Imagine I served for 41 years and here I am, laying in bed, looking at the ceiling, and no one to talk to. Then after 4 years of all of that, my neuro doctor said, Pete, I can't give you any more medication because your kidney is already compromised. 9.2 po ang aking creatinine level. And sabi niya, there's only 3 things, sabi niya, that can happen after surgery. Either you're gonna be on a wheelchair for the rest of your life, you're gonna be paralyzed, or you may get better. Wala akong magandang option sa mga choices na yun. Pero one thing I know, God is with me.
Amen!
And I believe when one door opens, or when one door closes, another door will open for you.
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
Yes!
And I held on that promise. Sabi ni Lord, I'll never leave you nor forsake you.
Amen.
Never fear, I'll fight for you.
Amen.
I claim that victory. Every day I pray. Ay sabi ko kay Lord, if this is your will, sabi ko, your will be done. Wala naman tayong magagawa, di po ba? Pero dyan namamatay at the age of 40 or even less. Why? Because that's the will of God. Wala tayong magagawa doon. So I have to accept that. Pero lo and behold, dumating po si Tess sa bahay namin, kinatok po kami, and dinala po siya ng kaibigan namin, dinala itong device na to. And I said, you know what, Tess, don't explain anything about the science of that. Sabi ko, just use it. Ginamit sa akin. Okay? I have arthritis, on top of my back pain, I have arthritis, sciatica, hamstring problem, knee problem, frozen shoulder, and plantar fasciitis. It's all interrelated because of the nerve. And guess what? After 20 minutes of therapy, the following day, my arthritis was gone.
Wow.
It was gone. In 4 months, no pain, no medication.
Wow.
I was in Europe about 2 months ago, 13 hours on the plane. Then we drove from Venice to Austria, back to LA, no pain.
Wow.
I'm standing here for just to tell you, this is a unique product. There's nothing like it. This is a phenomenal product. The only reason why I'm here to thank your leaders, okay, and everyone on the price for giving us this opportunity to have this device on our hand.